Welcome to your News Ticker Central, your place for technology and gadget top lists, must-haves and reviews. 9 Best Toolkits for Home. This collection presents popular toolkits that should be in every home. Tonfon. The kit in this category belongs to small kits and includes a screwdriver with interchangeable bits. By installing the desired manual unit, you can change the functionality of the screwdriver in a few seconds. The set contains several attachments: a cutter for plastic and cardboard, a block for screwing fasteners, a mini screwdriver and an eccentric block. The built-in battery capacity is 1500 mAh, the torque is up to 4 Nm. MX-DEMEL. A popular set with a good layout. All tools are conveniently located and components are always at hand. The set includes wrenches and ratchets with common bits. There are also star, minus and plus bits, standard heads, external hexagon, screwdrivers with a magnetic holder, etc. This kit is suitable for dismantling and installation work. HILDA electric drill. A good sander with a set of attachments is used for engraving, grinding, polishing and other work. There are different choices of 2 instruments for 200 watt and 400 watt. A less powerful tool is suitable for finer jobs that do not require much effort. The 400 watt tool is used for drilling and cutting metal parts. PROSTORMER. Popular toolbox of good quality. The tools in this set has 210 pieces. It has everything you need for a DIY craftsman, from standard screwdrivers to metal knives with replaceable blades. The set also includes scissors, an adjustable wrench, tape measure and a hammer. All tools are in place and are of good quality. Supplied in a convenient carrying case. DEKO. DEKO tools have high-quality materials, an ergonomic, bright design and a convenient storage case. The set includes a wide variety of tools that will be useful to every home craftsman: hammer, screwdriver, pliers, ratchet, bit holders, scissors, etc. The largest set includes 255 elements, the smallest set, 53 elements. The set is of high quality, thoughtful and easy to use. 1F Pro Mini Electric Screwdriver. A reliable and easy-to-use screwdriver with an ergonomic shape and a wide range of accessories. Supplied with a set of bits, charging cable, branded case, stand and special mat. Anodized aluminum alloy bits. The screwdriver head rotates in both directions, so you can both unscrew and tighten the screws at a speed of 200 revolutions per minute. Built-in battery capacity of 380 mAh. Jelbo WJ0082. A large set of tools designed to repair any phone and tablet. Good quality set. All tools are quite convenient. The set includes screwdrivers, tweezers, spatula, pick and other tools. Most of the tools are large and ideal for tablet and laptop repairs. Users note the good quality of the set and the ease of use. 25-in-1 Precision Screwdriver. Interesting set with a lot of replaceable bits. Designed primarily for household use, it can be used during minor repairs of an apartment, car, furniture. The bits have an original fixation system in the case. Perfect for anyone looking for a budget set with a variety of beats. The set is of fairly good quality, a high rating. 112 KALAIDUN 112. A popular set, in which, in addition to tools, there is a large selection of screwdriver with 112 pieces. It includes the smallest attachments, for example, for repairing a smartphone, standard and larger attachments. There are also several types of screwdrivers, more precisely, bit holders. The tips have increased wear resistance and withstand increased loads. Supplied in a carrying case. That's all for now. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.